and welcome to Tongue Ticklers. We all love a delicious and nutritious breakfast. So today's tongue tickler is a healthy breakfast recipe with vegetable omelette, roasted tomatoes and avocado toast. So let's see how to make it. Wait, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, go ahead and click the subscribe button now to stay updated on our tongue tickling recipes. Let's get started. To make our vegetable omelette, I've got 2 eggs, 2 mushrooms chopped, half chopped capsicum or bell pepper, you can choose green, yellow or red color, some salt, pepper, a mix of Italian herbs, so this is just dried thyme, oregano or rosemary, and some cooking oil. First, let's crack the eggs in a bowl. Add salt as per your taste and pepper. You can also add red chili powder if you like, but the heat of black pepper tastes amazing with eggs. Now let's sprinkle a bit of the Italian herbs mix and beat the eggs well. If you don't have the herbs mix, that's totally fine. Coriander leaves are a great option too. Add 1 tablespoon oil to a pan and heat it on medium flame. Add the chopped mushrooms and capsicum. Sprinkle salt as per your taste, but remember, we've also added salt in the eggs, so don't add too much. Cook for about 3 minutes until the mushrooms turn golden brown. Now let's add the beaten eggs in the pan. I'm also adding some cheese, but this is optional. Cover the pan with a lid to allow the eggs to cook well for about 3 minutes. Put the vegetable omelette aside and let's get to roasting some tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon oil to the same pan. I have sliced small cherry tomatoes into half, but you can choose normal tomatoes as well. Add some salt and the Italian herbs or coriander leaves. Roast the tomatoes on both sides on medium flame. This will soften the tomatoes and they will taste sensational. Alright, let's put the roasted tomatoes on the plate next to the vegetable omelette. Now let's get to making our avocado toast. Toast bread slices in a toaster or pan for about 2 minutes. Let's see how to cut an avocado. Hold it in one hand and slice around the avocado right down to the seed. Twist the 2 halves in opposite direction and open the avocado. You can remove the seed by hitting it with the knife and twisting it out of the fruit. The skin of the avocado comes off easily, so just hold it and peel it. Next, slice the avocado into thin slices and layer them on the toasted bread. Crack some salt and pepper. And the Italian herbs. And add some fresh lemon juice. This adds sourness to our creamy avocado. Okay, we are ready to serve it with the vegetable omelette and roasted tomatoes for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. You can also enjoy this breakfast recipe with a banana smoothie. To check out our quick 2-minute smoothie recipe, click the link on the screen or in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Try this healthy breakfast at home and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more exciting tongue-tickling recipes, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.